Don't want to fall down that. Well, howdy folks. Shawn here from hikingwithshawn.com, and we are going to go to Crow Knob here on the River to River Trail, which is also the American Discovery Trail, part of it. And we're just going to head for Crow Knob. We're at the Cedar Grove Trail crossing, and the colors should be popping. It's pretty colorful now, so we're hoping that we can get a nice little overlook at Crow Knob and you to come with us. So stay tuned. Really cool right here, folks, is this old road. You can really see it really good right here. It's right through here. So the new road is just right over there. So pretty neat. Some really big trees out here. There's a big one there. Kind of a bigger one right over there. And it's old home sites. I think the old Miller Grove Church / school was probably out here. Haven't really been able to pinpoint it exactly. Probably need to talk to the Forest Service archaeologists. There's a pretty section of the trail right through here. I think that's very pretty. The way the trail kind of curves. Alrighty. That way it'd take you to Honey Hole. This way it'd take you to Crow Knob. And continue in the R2R. Alright folks, here's the bottom of Crow Knob. We're gonna make our way to the top. Here is Crow Knob. And if you didn't know, Crow Knob is a underground railroad site. They used to use it as a beacon for runaway slaves to, you know, get resources and stuff like that from Sand Cave. So it was played a role in the Underground Railroad. Quite a bit of stuff out here did. They got high lines here, as well as a picnic table. Another high line. Picnic table is provided by River Trail Society, Backcountry Horsemen. And just make sure you tie up your horse because it is illegal to bring a horse up there. It is against the law and they will ticket you. And you shouldn't, you know, damages at foot traffic only. I'm sure your horse could use a break sometimes. You're just sitting on it all day long, farting on it. Poor thing could use a rest. That's cool. The bluffage we just saw, there's the trail Pretty cool. All right, folks. You can see the colors a little. Really a lot. It's not a big overlook out here, but it's still a pretty good one, I think. Plenty of colors. The Asian beetles, the ladybug lookalikes, are just like really thick right now. Landing all over me. They're at a war with cedar trees. They're cutting them down for reasons unknown. I say reasons unknown because they're not providing any kind of education. And it makes these natural areas look not so natural. So I just wish they'd cut them and move them, because it just looks like someone came in here and vandalized everything. That's what it looks like. And to someone that doesn't know why they cut them down, that's probably what they think. It's like, oh, don't visit the Shawnee National areas because the Forest Service lets people vandalize their trees. You know, they see natural area. No one suspects that it's okay to cut in them. You know, provide some education, post them on those signs. Both DNR and the Forest Service is really bad about not providing information to the people. You know, I'm definitely Team Forest Service when it comes to anything, really. I'm against the park. You know, I'm for the Forest Service, but come on, folks. Educate people a little bit so they don't think it's, you know, poor management. Wouldn't take much. Pretty colors. Alrighty, folks. Walking back to the truck. Almost there. A little over 2 miles. Not too shabby for an evening hike. Started kind of late. So, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment. What? I was posting that way. Wasn't doing this. You hear my wife?
Your wife's about to kick you in the butt. I can get my leg up that high.
Spousal abuse.
That's alright. It's a motivation.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. All that good stuff. And until next time, see you on the trail.